this roll of fabric that you see here, along with this angle, this is called bidirectional. So it has the same number of fibers going one way as it does another, or let's say this way is how the fibers run. So this is the edge of the fabric, called the bias. It's also called the selvage. I'm not sure why. I never bothered to look it up. I just know that's what it's called. That's what Mom always called it growing up, and that's what they still call it. So as you can see, it looks like there's lines going this way as if it's a freshly plowed field. Disregard this line that you see coming through it from the tabletop. Now, this material, since it has just as many fibers running this way as it does running that way, it doesn't turn corners real well, or radiuses. So what we do in order to get the strength and the torsional stability from that material is we cut it at approximately a 45-degree angle. So that's why you see here that this fabric is cut at an angle, not just to make it turn corners easier, but when you cut it at a 45-degree angle, now you have, you see, if I try to, let me get down here on this end where you can see. If I try to pull this fabric at that 45-degree angle, it doesn't want to stretch. Same this way. Now, I got it off. See, if I try to separate it, it doesn't want to do it. So, but if I tug on it this way, oh, I got it totally backwards. I'm going to have to help you out here because if I tug on it this way, it moves. And that's at a 45-degree angle. But if I tug on it the orientation that the fibers run, it doesn't want to stretch. So the fabric will turn a corner quite nicely, as you can see if I roll it over. So it creates a nice radius at that angle, and even though it appears to do that dry, it doesn't like to do it when it's wet. It wants to try and bubble up around those edges. So this is a bidirectional. Unidirectional has a greater number of fibers running one way than it does the other, and it's usually about 70-30. Thank you.